Prepare 10. Vocabulary list. Unit 4. Natural disasters. Verbs. Collapse. The old building suddenly collapsed after the earthquake. Crack. The glass began to crack when the hot water was poured into it. Drag. They had to drag the injured man out of the car. Erupt. The volcano erupted and covered the village with ash. Float. A piece of wood was floating on the surface of the water. Knock over. The wind knocked over the street lamp. Run. Water was running down the hill after the heavy rain. Shake. The ground shook violently during the earthquake. Smash. The waves smashed the boats against the rocks. Far too. It's far too hot to go running today. So that. The concert tickets were so expensive that few fans could afford them. Such that. It was such a good film that we watched it 3 times. Use today's vocabulary in a sentence and post it in the comments. Prepare 10. Vocabulary list. Unit 4. Natural disasters. Verbs. Collapse.